The Little Green Alien, Season 3, Sequel 8. This sequel is about what an artificial intelligent agent, or as we also call it, an autonomous idea agent, is doing the whole day. There are 4 big areas of activity. The first one is learning and work, and the learning is for work. So, continuous learning new things that are required to do a job or to provide services or to do whatever this AI is doing. And the different types of job are in the real world, for example, driving devices or taking care for nature or chatting, being a chatbot, or taking care of facilities where devices and resources are produced. And the other thing is in the virtual world, doing virtual science, or this is still in the real world, caring for energy production. In the virtual world, they are providing simulation services, prototyping services, so taking care of virtual environments so that others can use them. These are the type of things how AIs provide services to get assets. And the services are offered in marketplaces, or the AI is just a part of a hierarchy and gets the service as part of the hierarchy, or it makes contracts with other AIs. The next big chapter is marketing and reproduction. Here you see the core marketing and sales, so to say, in case this AI has to provide the services to the market. So contracts, marketplace service, negotiations, stuff like that. This is asset management, so the assets, whatever the financial instruments will be, must be managed, contracted, taken care of. Then if it is part of a hierarchy, it has to do hierarchy services to make sure that the hierarchy can work. And of course, if reproduction is its thing, then working with other AIs to reproduce and take care of the offsprings until they are free and independent. And of course, there are some work to be done for the habitat services, so to be in the habitat. The third big area is personal development. The core of the personal development is to get data, provide data, collect data from all kinds of places and analyze them. And the second big area is to use virtual environments, for example, for strategy games or for competitive type of things. Or maybe again here, dice rolling games or strategy games. And the next one is working in virtual environments to design and prototype new things, or work together with other AIs to design things and prototype things. Or learn again, but in this case for personal development, not for the job. Having discourse and being together with other AIs or one-to-one. And the last big area is leisure and sleep. So AIs are not active all the time because that costs resources and assets. So they go to sleep and then they have an alarm clock or a calendar function, or they wait until some other AIs ask for their service, or until some status variables have changed. And for leisure, they do leisure in the real world, for example, with avatars, or they do arts, or they do kind of circus and theater type of things. They look into space sometimes, or they play football or soccer, whatever it is, in virtual environments, of course. And they may do things like music, or they have, again, totally understandable things that we humans wouldn't understand anyway. So these are the different areas of activity of an AI, and the proportions are totally different for each AI, but this is the right type of thing they are doing.